Justice Leonen, no? Kaninong project to, yung impeachment niya?
Ay, hindi ko po alam kung kaninong project yan, no? Sa House po yan,
Okay.
no?
Yes, of course it's the House, no? But does it have the imprimatur of the President?
Absolutely not.
Like in the case of, can you elaborate?
Absolutely not. None.
Because?
None. Wala pong kinalaman dyan, no? We don't even know who the proponents are.
Okay, sir, one quick question. You mentioned a case build-up against the Los Baños mayor. By whom and how do you know this?
The police are investigating. Okay. Normally, the results of investigation should be used in a case build-up and charge individuals in court kasi yun yung katungkulan at obligasyon ng Estado pag merong napatay.
All right, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Joseph. Yusek Rocky, please.
Yes, a question from Dano Tingkungko of GMA7. Comment daw po sa panawagan ng Senior Citizens Party List na i-consider yung mental and emotional health of seniors and dapat i-consider din daw po to free seniors 70 below from isolation in MGCQ areas.
Well, again, that would be the discretion of the LGUs, no? Hayaan po nating mag-decision ng mga LGU kasi ang IATF na pa po naggawa na ng guidelines and the LGUs were empowered to implement them. May mga LGUs na nagdedeklara na one day of the week pwedeng lumabas sa mga seniors, no? So, yung ganyan po mga practices ang pwedeng i-adapt ng mga iba't ibang mga LGUs.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.